Now, here's an example of how you would go out and find winning ads that are converting right now for the other users. Let's give you an example. If I'm looking for an offer on ClickBank and I want to promote this and it's called the Click Wealth System, I'm going to go back into my Bing Bang Profit software and I'm going to create a keyword called Click Wealth System. And I'm going to click on save. I'm going to search the Bing Ads Network, United States, and I'm going to see who else is promoting this offer. As you can see, I've got some ads that are ready for me to use. And if I go to one of the landing pages that I can find in this section of our software, I can then see where the ad is taking the users to, which is a ClickBank offer, as we know. So I'm going to take this ad and I'm going to go ahead and create my Bing Ads account inside my Bing Ads already account that's there, and I'm going to create my ads. That's how fast I can create ads into my Bing Ads account. I will also find the keywords that are part of that ad that competition has been using. So I'm going to click on explore, and this is going to give me all the keywords that have been used for that specific offer. Taking these keywords, I'm going to put them into the ads account, into the bids that I want, and into the match type that I need. So if I know that these keywords are working, I'm going to go ahead and add them as exact. I'm going to go into my Bing Ads account and I'm going to look at the ads that my software just created for me inside my ads account. So these ads have been pushed over, the ones that I chose to get pushed over. I even pushed over the keywords that I have to do with the ads that I wanted, so they're all pushed over. Now if we go back into the ads account and I click on one of these offers, you can see that for my BP case study, for the Click Wealth, I'm generating commissions. And that's how fast our Bing Bang Profit software can get you results from already existing ads, etc., from our software.